how to remove a screw with your Black+Decker cordless drill. So first things first, we need to put it into reverse mode, and we want to, with the drill facing us like this, we want to press this button in, and now we have put the drill into reverse mode. You then want to insert your drill bit into the screw head, and then slowly bump like that until you get the screw bit to start moving, and then you want to apply a little bit of pressure so it doesn't jump out of the screw head, and remove the screw like that. So that's how easy it is to remove a screw. I do recommend that you get a screwdriver bit holder like this, and what you then will be able to use is any bit in the end like this. It's magnetic, and you'll be able to swap over the bit to best suit your screw. So hopefully that helps you out how to remove a screw from anything with your Black+Decker cordless drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.